Nkomuringo gumwe gwo kutebekanisiza entunguuka ziriyo nizikorwa omu kyanga kya Bunyoro, ekitongole kya United Nations Capital Development Fund na Mastercard Foundation batendeka eminyeete eri hagati y'emyaka 18 okuhika aha myaka 35 nk'oku bakubaasa kwejunisa kanyabwengye kuguza n'okushuubura ebintu byabo kandi batabandize kuteganisibwa. Eminyeete egi yatendekwa aha bintu nk'okuhinga kw'omurembe, obutare bw'emibazi y'ebihingwa, ebitare bikipuri, okukozesa esimu kuronda obutare n'ebindi. Boniface Byaruhanga orumukuru wa NRM habwa Kikuube Town Council nagira ngu eki bakikozire okwenda kurinda ebikozirwe ninga protecting the gains nukwo eminyeete nayo egoberwe mu bwebembezi bwa NRM hamwe na President Museveni.
Angalia yetu ya Uganda under protecting the gains nganyoka chairman wa NRM tukurango hali tugenda aho AFCON hali ijja kutandikira ajja kwani haija batake aba Kenya banka nibasasulira hasimu hata omuntu waitu wa hano wa youth akuba natunde nyanya natunde duka atamanyire kukolesa app ya simu akube sende nzimurabaho so nkusima ebitongole bino bisobere kusomesa aba youth abasomere bagenda kusomesa n'abandi kurango twafune nkurakurana.
Today we have engaged about 450 youth. And of course, I said majority are females. And we were very inclusive because in our mobilization, we had to even reach the refugee settlements here. So we also had some percentage of the refugees here as well. PWDs were not captured here, but ideally they were supposed to be 5% in the engagement as well.
Ismail Tabu orukora na Easy Agric na Jang Mastercard Foundation na United Nations Capital Development Fund batiremwe sente nyingi okwenda kwegesa eminyeto nkuko bashemereye koza kanyabwenje okukora business batabandize kutambura.
Because I've seen even me myself using a phone to go to platforms which for enjoyment it's also not bad. But if you can embrace your phone to enable you make money, it's going to be very key. And that's why UNCDF, together with Mastercard, Outbox, and Women in Technology, had to put in all these resources to make sure they mobilize people and embrace these technologies, which can enable them to grow their business.
Ujambo nolempiduka na abantu abagenda kuba bakanyire kikube hano aba mafutu pina round about how tekombeke kirala yobeko kujja kunyumirwa 44 road ne ikara bize paka site yenyonyi pina university yaitu president wetu yanga kwa ground breaking eja kutandika pina site mpira pina training ground hano we masite pina massive training ground abantu bajja kubako omwijuzo
babatendekirwe nibagira ngo omushomo gwo niguza kuhindura emiringo eba bene bakoramo emirimo yabo na business zabo.
Kubanye na app nisobora ku advertisinga omulimo gwange kandi n'abantu abandi abali harana nyowe nibajja nibanguraho kuraba ahasimu.
Omusomo guno gumpinduire habokuba enyikara yaitu gali nk'amazima itu abayusi tuli kubi oli tajja kumanya ekyokora tegiseibwe okyomugisa twegisebe kandi wetegereza bike bitusemerire kora omu nyikara yaitu eno ito muno itu abali hano Bunyoro.
Nti business yona yokatandike wadde kuba kulima okulima nti ebirime byawe okusaza marketing kanka hamukutogo gwe batwegeseze kandi abeye nungi dano kwijja ne batudupa dupa abali hansana ba brokers usanga kilo y'ebihimba bagigure strings 10 kandi amukutosa ku marketing products zawe nka beye yeyo ngairoho mukusaka funaki amagoba.
Omushomo ogu gwetabirwemu eminyeto abyine burema amabiri yabo n'abatabwine kandi habire harimu n'empungi za cyangwa refugee settlement. Gasha kwa Thomas Mwebazi.